ki kyewayawukana nakyo
What is that you were separated with,
naye nga wali okyagala?
but you wanted it?
And also I see
Era ndaba
Nkumba Siraj. I see you in your chest. They operated you.
ndaba omuntu gwe njogerako nga mu kifuba abakuoperatinga.
You are not here.
Toliiwo?
You came with who?
Ani gwe wazze naye?
naze zeeka okuva kyalo waddala bodayo.
How did you reach here?
Wano watuuseewo otya?
Mama yalabye ABS n'aŋŋamba gendako pasita ayinza okuwonya kifuba.
Let us see his chest.
Katulabe ekifuba kye.
Oba Mukama kyandaze kye kituufu.
If at all God showed me the right thing.
Buli muntu omupya wano osobola okujja naawe n'olaba. Omanyi
Every new member you can come and
mubirabire
see.
jangu olabe nga yenna yakyama n'okukyama
You
ati.
come and see by your eyes and witness by your eyes.
Yava mu
because
position ye ey'okubeera straight.
he is not straight.
Olubuto olwadde eno.
The stomach is
Jangu
the aside.
wetuukirewo olabe.
You can come and witness by your eyes.
Mulaba olubuto kogai lwonna lwiki.
The stomach is not in a position.
Explain people what happened to him. Yasanyala amagulu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man lying down here, he came here by himself. They saying that he was watching ABS television and he saw pastor praying for people and he decided to get himself here. So as we speak right now, people are seeing, are watching. People want to see if pastor prophesied is true. Because pastor prophesied that he sees a man who was operated in the chest. So they brought a man here. He's lying down. He cannot sit. He cannot do anything. He cannot stand. And he has a lot of pain. And he wants pastor to pray for him tonight. As you can see by yourself, this man is in a lot of pain.
Jangu tukola betotya.
You can come and see. Asigalanga. E Montana. Give Jesus a mighty hand clap. The ring that performs miracles. And this is what he's going to do. Then the ring raise up this man to leave this place walking in Jesus' name. I command you.
Be healed. Be healed. Be healed.
Get power. Get the strength in your life. Leave this place walking by yourself.
Be healed. Be healed. Be healed.
The ring is working.
Receive.
Tonaman.
Receive.
Tonaman.
Receive power.
Tonaman.
Receive.
Tonaman.
Receive.
Funaman.
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 Receive.
Funa.
Receive.
Funaman.
Receive.
Funaman.
Receive.
Funaman mubiri.
Receive.
Funaman.
Receive.
Funaman.
Njagala.
I want.
Njagala awonyezebwe.
I want him to be healed.
Receive.
Wonyezebwa.
Kitange tonswazangako.
Father, you've never shamed me.
Kikyo kimukabya amaziga.
It's making him cry tears.
Kimukabya amaziga.
It's making him shed tears.
Kizitowa.
It's heavy.
Ekyamuleetera embeera efaanana bw'eti.
What made a situation like this?
Kifuluma.
It's ending.
Kifuluma.
It's coming out.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Daba pain gy'alimu.
The pain he's having.
Daba ekivuli mu maaso ge.
See what is in his eyes.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Rise up.
Golokoka.
Stand up.
Yimuka. Situka. 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 Yimuka. Situka. Situka. Situka.
Nkuyita.
I call you
Okuvaawo wansi.
from where you are.
Come.
Jangu.
Come.
Jangu.
Come.
Situkayo.
Come.
Golokoka.
Come.
Jangu.
Come.
Jangu.
Come.
Jangu.
Come.
Jangu.
Come.
Jangu.
Stand up.
Yimuka.
Stand up.
Yimirira. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the ring has worked. That gentleman is checking himself to hear whether it's pain. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see.
You are free.
Continue praying.
Even
on Sunday, come and pray.
God
God is going to set you free. Go and see the hand of the Lord. Give Jesus a mighty hand. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see the shape of this
Omulaba.
gentleman, he's not straight as he's supposed to be.
Omulaba.
He's bent.
Ky'olabanga ekitasoboka
What you see that is
mu
impossible,
maaso ga Mukama kisoboka.
it is impossible before
Genda
God.
oma Mukama akusumuludde. Ki kyewayawukana nakyo
What is that you were separated with,
naye nga wali okyagala?
but you wanted it?